Hello students, welcome to you in this video. Param Guru Pathsala English Medium School, Sarsa. My name is Master Kamini. Today I am taking the video for class 3. My subject name is Social Study. Unit number 1, Our Earth, that is new textbook, Cordova series, and today I cover topic that solve textbook exercise of this chapter Our Earth. So dear students, you have to pay attention here and listen me carefully. Let's start. This is your Cordova Learning Series Social Studies 3rd, chapter number 1 exercise, page number, textbook page number 7. If you have textbook, then open it and listen me carefully. Oral questions, that is 2 questions here. Number 1. Why is the earth called a planet? Why is the earth called planet? And second question, describe the earth and its family. Now I will show you the answers too. See, the earth is the only planet that has life. Why is the earth called planet? अर्थ को क्यों planet कहते हैं? Because the earth is the only planet that has life. Second question, describe the earth and its family. Describe the earth and its family. In a previous video I will show you the earth family too. Now I will give you the explanation of this answer that the earth is a planet. It has a life. The earth contains water. It is very important for all living beings and get food, water and air from the earth. It has 7 planets in its family. Together they make 8 planets. The sun is a star and head of this family. The earth revolves around the sun. Now later part of this answer is that about the solar system. That solar system is the great family of the earth. You can see the pictures also. In previous video I will show you pictures also, but right now I will give you the pictures also. See that this is the earth family: sun, Mercury, Venus, earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. So you have to so I will show you that how the earth family, that is the we have to call solar system. Now I will show you the test yourself. That page number 7, tick the correct answer to MCQ over there. Let me see. Yes, the earth is a blanks. This test yourself is to MCQ here given. The earth is a blanks. The answer is planet. The earth is a planet. Answer A. Okay dear students. Second, what makes the earth the only planet that has life? कैसे कह सकते हो कि अर्थ को ऐसे planet कह सकते हो as life? A. The sun shines on the earth to give heat and light. The earth contains water that is very important for all living beings. It has air all around that help us to breathe. So all answer is right. So here answer is D, all of this. Okay, now I will go with another exercise. You can see here. See, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question, that is the earth is also called the blanks planet. I will explain you in previous video that most of the part of the earth is a blue color and it shows water. So earth also called the blue planet. Answer B, blue planet. Second, the layer of air around us is called, आंसर ए, एटमोसफियर. अर्थ के अराउंड जो लेयर है वो क्या है? एटमोसफियर. नाउ एक्सरसाइज बी. दिस इज योर टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 8. एक्सरसाइज बी, दैट राइट टी for true and F for false statements. Okay, number 1, the sun is a planet. It's a right or wrong? Wrong. Sun is a star, not a planet. Sun has life. सन पे लाइफ हो ही सकती है? नहीं. Sun is a very, very, very big fire of the ball. Then how can it exist the life? So the sun is a star, not a planet. Second, the sun and the 8 planets form the solar system. Right. The sun and the 8 planets form the solar system. Third picture. Third number. Long ago, people believed that the earth was a flat. Long ago, people believed that the earth was a flat. True. पहले के लोग ऐसे ही सोच रहे थे कि earth was a flat. Now exercise C and D I will show you with the question answer also. Here 2 question is given, that write short answer. Why is the earth called the blue planet? Second question, who said that the earth was like a ball? I will give you the answer, then D exercise explain you. See here I will show you the answer page also, exercise A, B, how you have to write down. And here C. Why is the earth called the blue planet? The earth is called the blue planet because a larger portion of the earth is covered by water than by land. लैंड से ज़्यादा वाटर कलर बहुत कवर्ड है, वाटर बहुत कवर्ड है, सो उसको क्या कहते हैं? अर्थ इज़ अ ब्लू planet. Second, who said that the earth was like a ball? Aristotle and Copernicus said that the earth was like a ball. Now exercise D, I will show you the answer page. 4 questions are given here. You have to listen me carefully. Let me see. Number 4. Why is the earth the only planet that has life? It's an important question for all the students and in book. Why is the earth the only planet that has life? Why? Because see, the earth is the only planet that has life because it has the necessary elements to support life. It has air that helps living beings to breathe. The sun shines on it to give heat and light, and it has water that is very important for living beings. Long ago, this one answer is over here, that why the earth is the only planet that has life because it has the necessary elements to support life. हमारी जो नेसेसरी एलिमेंट्स होती है वो सपोर्टिंग हमको कहाँ से मिलता है? फ्रॉम दी अर्थ. इट हैज़ एयर दैट हेल्प्स बीइंग टू ब्रीथ. द सन शाइन ऑन इट टू गिव हीट एंड लाइट, एंड इट हैज़ अ वाटर that is very important for all living beings. Now second question, see. Second question is that your long ago, why did people fear to travel long distance? Long ago, पहले के लोग को क्यों डर लग रहा था चलने में long distance? Long ago, answer is that long ago people fear to travel long distance because they thought that the earth was a flat like a square with edges. They even feared that if they travel to far off lands, then chances were that they would fall off. उन लोगों को ऐसा लगता था कि फ्लैट भी है और कॉर्नर कोने हैं, एजेस है, सो हम लॉन्ग तक चलेंगे तो वहाँ से गिर जाएंगे. सो पीपल fear to travel long distance. Now question number 3. How did Magellan's journey prove that the earth is not a flat? How did Magellan's journey prove that the earth is not a flat? Answer. Around 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan went on a cruise. He started from Spain and sailed in the same direction for 3 years. He sailed west and reached the same point from where he had started. This proved that the earth was not flat but round. Ferdinand Magellan's was journey proved that the earth is not flat. जहाँ से उन्होंने क्रूज में स्टार्ट किया था सेलिंग करने का, from 3 years, From 3 years he is wandering in the sea and come to backward that point. So he proved that around 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan went on a cruise. He started from Spain and sailed in the same direction. For 3 years, he sailed west and reached the same point from where he had started. This proved that the earth was not flat but round. Now, number 4. What is the difference between horizon and coast? What is the difference between horizon and coast? I will show you the picture on that previous video also. The differences of horizon and coast also. Here I will give you the answer that horizon is the place. Horizon is the place where the land or the sea seems to meet the sky. होरिजोन ऐसी प्लेस है जहाँ आपको ऐसा लगता है कि लैंड एंड सी, दरिया एंड लैंड मिलते हैं, बट एक्चुअली नॉट इन कोस्ट. कोस्ट इज द प्लेस वेयर द लैंड एंड द सी मीट. हॉरिजॉन पे आपको ऐसा लगता है एंड कोस्ट इज द प्लेस वेयर द लैंड एंड द सी मीट. So dear students, here your chapter once over. In previous video I have to explain the whole chapters, and here second video I will give you the chapters question answer and exercise solution. Okay, so you have to write down in your notebook with exercise, write down exercise with oral questions, test yourself, and then you have to write down exercise A, that is your MCQ, B, true false, C, write short answers, and D, answer the following questions. Exercise F and E, I am omit you because this is not you have to write down in your notebook. Here you have to finish your chapter and you have to completely write down in your notebook. Okay, we will meet with our next chapter very soon in a next video. Okay dear student, sorry, all the best for your first chapters over and ready for that test also.